Thank you for using the SIBO breath test. This video demonstration will guide you through the breath sample collection process. Your test kit should include all of the following items: 10 test tubes, 10 test tube labels, 1 test substrate, 1 breath collection device, 1 requisition form, 1 instruction sheet, 1 preparation guidelines form, and 1 return shipping label. Prior to beginning the test, make sure you have followed the diet and fasting requirements. For more information, please review your preparation guidelines form. First, make sure you pre-fill all 10 test tube labels, ensuring you check the SIBO line on each and write the date. Leave the time blank because you will fill this out after each sample is taken. Your test will contain either glucose or lactulose as the test substrate. Mix the substrate solution according to the instructions, but do not drink it yet. You will not drink it until after you complete your first sample. Now, let's take a closer look at how to properly collect a breath sample. Hold the test tube near the needle, but do not puncture it yet. Take a normal breath in, put your mouth over the collection device, and start breathing out. The bag should inflate. Mid-breath, puncture the tube and hold it there for about 2 seconds. Then, before you finish your breath, take the test tube off the needle. Let's watch that again. After you finish collecting your baseline sample, write the time on the label and stick it onto the test tube. Now it's time to drink your substrate solution. After drinking, set your timer for 20-minute intervals. Collect your second sample 20 minutes after drinking the substrate solution. All samples must be collected at 20-minute intervals until all 10 samples are collected. Remember, this test will take 3 hours to complete. When you have collected and labeled all 10 samples, put them onto the bubble wrap bags. Seal the bubble wrap bags and put them into the test box with the completed requisition form. Attach the return shipping label to the front of the box and it is ready to be mailed for analysis. Thank you for choosing SIBO testing through Life Extension, and thank you for watching this tutorial.